Welcome to the new session of Social Science class. Today we are going to learn about the continuation of the chapter Seasons and Time. What all things we learned in our previous class? Yes, it's about the apparent movement of the sun and the occurrence of seasons, Uttarayanam and Dakshinayanam, facts associated with rotation, Greenwich Mean Time, etc. Hope all of you understood these topics. Today we will learn about Standard Time, Indian Standard Time and International Date Time. Standard Time. The local time would be different at each longitude. The local time at the longitude that passes through the middle of a country is selected as the common time for the whole country. Each country in the world considers the longitude that passes almost through its middle as the standard meridian. The local time at the standard meridian is the standard time of that country. Next topic is Indian Standard Time. India lies east of the Greenwich meridian between 68° east and 97° east. We know that the local time at the longitude that passes through the middle of a country is selected as the standard time of that country. That means the exact middle longitude of India is the standard meridian. How can we find the standard meridian of India? For that, we need to find the longitudinal extent of India. We know that India extends from 68° to 97°. We need to find middle longitude of India. For that, we add these longitude together and divide it by 2. Then we get 82.5. Then we understand that 82.5 is the middle meridian of India. We know that India lies in the east of Greenwich meridian. So 82.5° east is the standard meridian of India. Next, how to find standard time in India. Simply we can say time need to cover 82.5° longitude is the standard time of India. How can we find this one? Look carefully. We know that longitudinal extent of India from Greenwich is 82.5. Each longitude covers 4 minutes. Then we find how much time need to cover 82.5 longitude. So we multiply 82.5 into 4. Look, we get 330 minutes. Then we convert it into hours. For that, we divide 330 by 60. When we divide 330 by 60, we get 5 hours and remaining 30 minutes. That means India's standard time is 5 hours 30 minutes. So we can understand the Indian standard time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. If it is 5 p.m. at Greenwich, then in India it would be 10:30 p.m. Next topic is International Dateline. 180° longitude line from the east and west of Greenwich line is the International Dateline. There is a difference of 24 hours at 180° longitude to the east and west of Greenwich line. We can see the International Dateline is drawn as broken because of some reasons. Let's go into that facts. Suppose the time at Greenwich meridian is 10 a.m. on Monday. what will be the time at 15 degree east? Yes, it is 11 am because 1 hour is covered by 15 degree longitude. Like that, moving to each 15 degree longitude on eastward, time increases, and at 165 degree east, time will be 9 pm on Monday, and the time at 180 degree east is 10 pm. But looks upon the westward, what can you see here? We know that the time decreases towards west. Then what will be the time at 15 degree west? Yes, it is 1 hour slower than GMT. Then the time is 9 am. Like that, 1 hour decreases towards each 15 degree western longitudes. Then look the time at 150 degree west. What will be the time here? Yes, it is 12 midnight. 165 degree west, 11 pm on which day? Yes, 11 pm on the day before Monday, that means Sunday. At 180 degree, time will be 10 pm on Sunday. Then look to the back position of the earth, focusing on 180 degree longitude. Here, east is on the left side and west is on right side. Notice the time at international dateline from eastward. Yes, it is at 10 pm on Monday. But the time at international dateline from westward is 10 pm on Sunday. So we understood that the 180 degree longitude records two different times with 24-hour difference. So we understood that 180 degree longitude records two different times. Think of the difficulties if the same place records two different times with 24 hours difference. To solve this problem, adjustments have been made avoiding the land areas along the 180 degree longitude. This longitude marked with broken lines. The lines is so arranged as to avoid some of the islands to the south of the Bering Strait in Pacific Ocean. The travelers who cross this line from east calculate time by advancing 1 day, and those who cross the line from west deduct 1 day. Today we discussed about standard time, Indian Standard Meridian and Indian Standard Time, and the peculiarities of international dateline. Hope all of you understood the topic. If you have any doubt about this session, please inform us through class WhatsApp group. Thank you.